Yo, what's up? And yo, what's up? All right, guys. Welcome to Indonesia, guys. Grand Ina Hotel behind me, and this is the topic of today's video. I will try to show you around, but happy vibes here in Sanur. But meanwhile, I'm gonna back to the harbor where the boat's going to Nusa Penida, which is in this direction, because I hear there are some renovations over there. I'm very curious. I didn't saw that. I didn't know that. Just read this today, and then I will come back to the hotel, and I'm gonna show you how it looks, this hotel, because many people asking about that. So many stories about this place also. All right, and here is the harbor where you can go to Nusa Penida, and I hear there is some renovations here, but I think this is the old renovations because I already showed you this one. I thought something changed here, but I cannot see any difference. All right, so this is the difference. There is the grab, pick up, drop off point, which is interesting. And finally, ladies and gentlemen, there are stairs in the Sanur harbor going to the speedboat, so no more trespassing the stones. So that's the huge improvement, actually. Yes, and this is actually surprising me, this sign. So yeah, however, I think not many boats are around. Meanwhile, this is the harbor parking area and the parking guy. That's how it looks like. It's not that busy as I was expecting. Here is some statue. Normally you can come here and buy your ticket to going to Nusa Penida, but now we're gonna hit into this direction where is the small bazaar, small market, and the harbor to going to Nusa Lembonan Island, and after that will be the hotel. But meanwhile, first this one, big improvement. It's open and it's quiet, many stuff to buy, beautiful. So hello. How are you? All good?
This is a
Krupuk, Rupik, very nice. Hello. That's very funny. Hello, how are you? All good? Yeah. Always positive vibes in sun. Hello. Hello. So definitely much better to compare to my yesterday's Seminyak video. Sanur people definitely much better. Maybe yesterday I had a lag, but that stay in my brain. That's what it look like. And this one here that used to be a very old hotel in Sanur and legendary copy kiosk. All of these things is just the memory. I mentioned that last time, but it's pretty sad image, so maybe I will show you one more time. I mean, it's sad because it's deserted, abandoned, and I'm not gonna go there because this swimming pool look like a crocodiles are there, seriously, like. But I just wanna show you how sad is this. Maybe some of you used to stay in this hotel long time ago. Honestly, very sad about this hotel, and this is just only one example from the 68 hotels. However, maybe this one is just small one, maybe not even including in the rankings. I don't know. I hope so something will change in the near future, because I don't wanna showing you more hotels like this. It's sad and it's depressing, in my opinion. However, maybe some of you enjoyed. Anyway, I will show you now. This one is the place where you can buy ticket to Nusa Lembonan, but at morning, not afternoon. Now it's 4:30 p.m. If you're interested to go to Nusa Lembonan, you just have to come here, past the harbor to Nusa Penida, past the bazaar, and here you can buy tickets to Nusa Lembonan. However, I'm not sure actually if you can travel at the moment for the people who are in Bali right now. I'm really not sure, but if you're interested, comment below. I will find the information for you. And meanwhile, that's how it looks like. And there in the far you can see already Grand Ina Hotel, where I'm heading to. Hello. Bye bye. Here is the path where you can go to the parking of Grand Ina, and here is the one company, and here usually the boat's gonna come here and dock somewhere here. So basically, if you're coming, just come here, just pass the street, and there you can park your motorbike and car. At least that was long time ago. I don't know if it's now. And that's how it looks like. Anyway, it doesn't look that much optimistic in that part of Sanur anyway. It's closed, many things, deserted, public toilet. Here's supposed to be a ticket office. Yeah, that's sad reality. Look at this one. I'm not sure if it's this, the condition like this, because probably not many demand for traveling around. Anyway, interesting fact, Grand Ina Hotel have a private helipad, but it's on the beach, and the hotel is over there. Yeah, that's how it looks like. It's very old hotel, and this belongs to the hotel private harbor, or used to be. Anyway, low tide today, and so many kites in the background. I'm gonna get closer to the hotel. However, I hear the hotel is used now for the government or local government quarantine or something like this. So I'm not sure if I can get closer. However, I will try to show you anyway. Anyway, this is the 10-story hotel, the highest in Bali, and there are many stories about this place. Well, last time I do the vlog actually a few months ago about this place, and some people saying as I'm not right what I'm saying, so we have many people who know better about this hotel, so maybe somebody would like to write a beautiful comment about this hotel. Pretty welcome, feel free. But anyway, I will tell you the story, quick story about this hotel. What I know, either is 100% right, accurate or not, is the one of the oldest hotel in Sanur in Bali, the first luxury hotel in Bali, very high, built through the Mr. President Suharto a long time ago in the 1970s, 1969, not 100% sure, various informations in the internet. However, nowadays it's not that busy, maybe not that successful, because there's so many different hotels around, and also this is already old hotel, 50 years, over 50 years old. And I hear there is the quarantine right now in this hotel, but still I cannot see anyone outside, so maybe is that true? And also over there are some soldiers, army, on the patrolling the beach, so maybe something like that true actually, I don't know. All right, so hotel is more closer, look like this. I think it's 10-story hotel, I'm not sure actually. This is the main entrance to the beach and the swimming pools around, but I'm really not sure if I can get inside closer. However, I'll try to come maybe for you. If I'm not allowed, somebody will turn me back anyway, right? So that's how it looks like. Everything it seems close and deserted here, but the water in the swimming pool, it is beautiful. Hotel used to be. That's definitely, that's how it looks like. Hello, how are you? You can play chess if you want. That's how it looks in the hotel. So far, so good. No problems, no people. I think the quarantine zone is actually here. That's the people who have a quarantine. I'm not sure. There is the hotel. And I think I will evacuate from that place right now. All right, so basically that's how it looks. The area hotel is for the quarantine. There are some people inside. I spoke with the security, very nice guy. By the way, really hospitality in Sanur is top class, world class, lovely. Nothing to complain about. However, he just said as yeah, the hotel is for the quarantine right now. Alright guys, just editing. Lovely security in Sanur in Grand Ina told me as in this hotel right now is the quarantine for over 360 or 365 people, I forgot exact number, and unfortunately he didn't want to be on the camera, so I have to appreciate that, respect him as he don't want to be on the camera, and that's how it looks like. Also guys, many of you comment all the time as it will be nice if I can record people who talk to me. Unfortunately currently people are really shy and they don't really want to be on the camera, so please try to understand me as the content creator and understand them as they just don't want to be. So I'm trying to share you as much information as I can, but if people don't want to be on the camera, nothing I can do. Meanwhile, enjoy the rest of the vlog. And everything here is deserted, literally deserted right now, like this. Access to the beach like this public is open, however you cannot get inside inside the hotel, only on the facilities, on the pool, which is the other wing actually, where there is the like a net or something, like a rope. There is the part for the hotel for the quarantine. The other one is already belongs to this one, which is the bungalows or something like that. That's how it looks like. Anyway, nobody is around here, not so many people walking around. Also, bungalows over here. They are not in the best shape anymore, and here is even closed. They have something. There are no quarantines here, but still, I don't know. There are some sunbeds actually, but here is even the speedboat at the back of the beach. All right, so looks like abandoned speedboat on the beach. Don't know also how this boat come here, but it's, well, good place for make a video. The engines are already taken, and deep inside the boats look like this. This boat was operating not so long ago for sure. The Ocean Express, however, pretty sad. As the boat landed here, there was also the one boat crashed long time ago. Maybe this is the boat who crashed. However, it's just at the front of the Grand Ina in Sanur. All right, this beach bar, Tirta Pizzeria or bar something. Beach bar seems to be open. I think that belongs to the Grand Ina also. However, it's as that quiet as I'm not even sure if it's open, but yeah, looks like 1688 beach bar. This is all belongs to the Grand Ina. Grand Ina is huge property. They also have a golf course between beach there and the street, which is over there. If you are familiar with this area, you know how the life used to be here, and you can compare to the current situation, which in my opinion, personal opinion, is a little bit depressing. In this part of the Sanur, I prefer my other sides of the Sanur, but you can comment below what do you think about that. Here there are some water sports, and there is the guy. So actually, if you are thinking about the water sports on the something, I think it's possible, but yeah, that's how it looks like. And here there are bungalows of Grand Ina right now. This is the third wing of Grand Ina Hotel, and I think here there are some guests staying around, and they are open for public in 100%. There are no quarantine in this part of the Grand Ina, so yeah, that's much better. Much better. And here some people also chilling around, but bungalow 2314 to 315, so maybe used to stay here one day long time ago. Comment below. I'm very curious. This is the beachfront bungalow, like thick, and the beach over here, and they're gonna play kite tuning the kite in a Bali beach resort security place. And yeah, I don't know, I think this is the most luxury part of the Grand Ina right now. Not sure. Here is the swimming pool and the bungalows, and this is already the border also where the Grand Ina it's finished. All right, so that's how it looks, this part of the Sanur. For everyone who are missing this part of the Sanur, the Grand Ina Hotel and this area in general, that was the long time ago luxury place and one of the first pioneers of the tourist industry in Bali, especially in Sanur, but in Bali in general. Even it's not looks maybe much optimistic, that's how it is. The times are very tough. I think that's it for me for this vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, see you tomorrow, guys. See ya, take care.